Hey tech enthusiasts! Mobile phone the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to drop early next year, and the rumor mill is spinning fast. Recently, we stumbled upon a leaked video, and now we've got even more exciting photographs to share. Rocket camera with flash. These new images give us a fresh look from different angles, including some juicy screenshots of the One UI 7 software. Originally posted by a Reddit user and later picked up by Android Authority, these photos reveal the bottom side of the much-anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. What can we see? Well, the S Pen slot, side buttons, rear camera lenses, and even a charge indicator on the display are all visible. Plus, we get a sneak peek at the One UI 7 quick settings menu. But that's not all. The review also gives us close-up views of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, showing off the S Pen slot on the left side of the tablet, previously reported to be elsewhere. The bottom view reveals the SIM slot, slim speaker grill, and USB-C connector, all under a sleek white lines design. Oh, and the charging indicator on the AOD screen was also spotted. Battery magnifying glass tilted left. We're hoping to see One UI 7 in action soon, packed with these additional functionalities. The new UI elements around the quick settings panel are redesigned, widgets and icons are reordered, and the standard app icons have a fresh look. The camera app interface appears more basic, and the notification tray now stands out distinct from the quick settings panel. We expect the stable One UI 7 update to roll out with the Galaxy S25 series. For those eager tech minds, the beta update should drop sooner. The SSM938B model has appeared on Geekbench, boasting impressive scores: 2,627 for single-core and 9,444 for multi-core. These scores highlight the design and interface enhancements we're excited about. Moreover, the SSM938B model's Geekbench appearance confirms it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoI chipset, with a basic clock speed of 3.53 GHz and a maximum frequency of 4.47 GHz, ensuring top-notch performance. The device tested also packs 12 GB of RAM and runs on Android 15. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed these specs, all signs point to the Galaxy S25 Ultra being a significant upgrade over its predecessor, setting new standards for premium smartphones. So, what do you think about these leaked Galaxy S25 Ultra photos? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the latest tech leaks and rumors. Mobile phone with Aero Speech Balloon.